Welcome back from the break. Now, 9 communities along the Angor River in the South Tongue district of the Volta region with over 8,000 residents face a significant health crisis due to weeks of lack of potable water. The Angor River, the sole water source for residents and Ghana Water Company's main intake, is severely polluted from the Akosombo Dam spillage, rendering it unusable even for toilet flushing. Carlos Kaloni visited the community and has filed this report.
About 9 communities here in the Agave area in the South Tongue district depend on this very lake that you see. But according to them, due to the spillage of the Akosombo Dam, the water has become very turbid. The Angor River has been the sole source of water for over 8,000 residents in 9 communities within the Agave traditional area in the South Tongue district of the Volta region for centuries. The Ghana Water Company's Keseve headwork also depends on this water body to supply many towns in the Greater Accra region. However, heavy pollution caused by the Akosombo Dam spillage has left residents without alternatives for weeks.
First of all, is the water that we use, but now we are not using it because the water has spoiled. Even they say that we shouldn't use it to wash breads. Even to wash our clothes, we are not using it because we don't have water. So what we need is the government to help us to get the water for us. Maybe even our kids, they don't have water to drink. The one that they use to wash their clothes, don't get some. So we are just begging the government to come help us because the pipe is not coming. So we use pure water. And sometimes you don't have anyone at all to wash it. So
what do you think the government can do to solve this problem for you residents?
Okay, we need help. We need poly tank or pure water.
There are some people who they don't get money to buy pure water. They just boil this water and then put it down about 40 to 1 hour before they take drink or preparing food, which is very bad. But our kiddie, they don't know nothing. If they are testing, they just go and fetch it and drink. From the river? Yeah.
The assembly member for the Jetokwe electoral area, Amos Akoli Afedo, emphasizes the urgent need for water storage facilities in each of the 9 communities to prevent a health disaster. So tell us the number of communities that actually depend on this water.
We are having 9 communities. They are Puchunu, Jetokwe, Matekopwe, Tove, Dunukopwe, Ajoyi Kopwe, Mate Kopwe, and then Akit Kopwe.
So all the coppers depend on this water?
Sure, yeah.
For what and what?
They have used it for bathing, drinking, washing, for so many of use.
So for some days now, what can you tell us about the state of the water?
Okay, about 3 weeks ago of the flood, you could see that the water have changed. And then even you can't even enter. If you enter self, there is a rashes attached, so you can't even enter. You can't even use to bath. You can't even use it to wash your hand. So it's a problem. It's a problem.
So which water source do these people depend on for their domestic use now?
Oh, for now, I'm supplying them pure water.
What is it that you want government to do under the circumstance? Because looking at the state of the water now, it tells you we don't know how long this is going to stay and the rashes that come with the usage of this water. So what permanent solution do you want government to do for you people?
Okay, thank you very much, my brother. What I personally need my community is we need poly tanks. Poly tank for the 9 communities, for which I can go to the assembly or go to the fire service and then brought some this thing. Let me assume the
potable water.
The potable water, so that I can pour it inside for the community to use. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the demand from the assembly member for the Jetokwe electoral area. He's appealing to the authorities to, as a matter of urgency, provide these 9 communities each with a polytank or a water storage facility where portable water can be stored in there for the residents in these communities to use, because according to them, the use of this very water you see here is so dangerous to residents, and they want this done as a matter of urgency to save lives of this resident here in the Southern District of the Volta region. Reporting from Jetokwe here in the Southern District, my name is Carlos Caloni for Joy News.